Right here, right now, this will determine whether or not we see a $30,000 Bitcoin, whether or not we see a $50,000 Bitcoin. So make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, make sure to click the bell for notifications because we're going to be getting into the juicy technical analysis right here. As you can see, Bitcoin is currently testing this very, very key zone of resistance. This green box right here on the chart is literally the doorway to Pump City. Now, one of two things can happen right here. If we lose this blue line of about $22,800 and we come back now inside of this macro range that we have been trading since June, there is a very good chance Bitcoin could see lower prices. However, if we're able to hold above this blue line, I do believe we will see a $30,000 Bitcoin, guys. And I am still holding the long positions that I have been in since giving the long setup to long from 16,300 over in the VIP Discord, guys. You can go to patreon.com/Jason Casper to join the Discord. Now, why did I take the long from down here? People were calling for 10K. Why was I longing at this area? Why was I bullish? It's because of the indicator market Cipher B. We can see we're getting bullish divergences as the price was getting lower to key support. Now, something to take note of right here, guys. The opposite is actually true. And this is my first word of caution. This is the first sign of weakness that I actually do see in this uptrend right here. If we take a look at the 4-hour time frame, we're actually seeing the dreaded upside down Sam Bankman-Fried market Cipher B man boob pattern. Okay, if we look at Sam Bankman-Fried's man boobs here, the money flow is getting lower as his man breasts with the red pepperoni nipples are also getting lower. Okay, we can actually clearly see this happening right now on Market Cipher B. We see the momentum waves are getting lower, and we see the money flow on Market Cipher B is also getting lower as the Bitcoin price comes up into this key area of resistance that we see right here, this green box of resistance, which is why I did give this short trade over in the VIP Discord to take the short from the top of this range. And indeed, guys, I have taken that short trade right now. I'm currently still in the trade. Right now, I've hit some TPs, as you can see. And this is the first word of caution, guys, that I am giving in this uptrend. So here is what has to happen in the next few days in order for us to get higher prices on this Bitcoin chart. Now, if you want to join the VIP Discord, you can go to patreon.com/Jason Casper. If you want to learn how to trade this way, you can check out the course at jasoncaspertrading.com. There's a 20% discount in the description of this video. This will give you the blueprint, guys, so you can have a plan so that you can come to the chart and long it from the low and short it from the high. Okay, with good risk management to be profitable over time. Also, if you want to start trading on ByBit, I currently do have a Jason Casper promotion going on right here. Not only can you win up to $30,000 in rewards if you deposit money, also we have 0% limit order fees. Now, only sign up for ByBit, guys, if you know what you are doing, but if you do want to take advantage of the 0% limit fees, it's a good deal, especially if you are trading on these lower term timeframes. Okay, so let's get back into this. What has to happen right now? First of all, the 4-hour time frame is looking bearish with momentum and money flow. It's the first time we have seen this in the uptrend. This has always been my top signal, okay? The one thing, guys, that is keeping me bullish right now, I should say two things. First of all, when we look at the daily time frame, okay, we can see that this money flow is getting very, very thick here. When the money flow gets thick on the daily time frame, this is showing us signs of bull strength, that the bulls are in control. When we go back in time, we can see that we actually have not seen daily money flow this thick since April 2021, the peak of the bull market. So this is very bullish. But if the Bitcoin price is not able to hold above $22,800 and we come back inside of this very large range, then it actually becomes very probable that we get our pullback to either the $20,000 level or lower, coming all the way back to the $18,000 level. Here's why. Whenever we approach the charts, we need to be looking for sideways markets. We never want to long after a big pump, and we never want to short after a big dump. What we want to do is we want to buy low and sell high. Now, what happens is the market will always look to establish a fair value. And if we look at the volume that traded throughout any given sideways price action, it will establish for us a fair value, where if price comes to the high of the fair value zone, it will come back down to the low. And if it comes to the low of the fair value zone, it will come back down to the high. Now, if price breaks up or breaks down from a key area of support or resistance, like what happened right here after FTX, and we form a new value area, which we did right down here, okay? Price traded within this value area, came to the high, to the low, to the high, to the low, and then broke out. Once we come back inside the old value area, there's a high probability that we make it all the way back to the top of that value area. This is why I've been so dang bullish, guys, all this time. As I've been watching the chart play out, I've been watching the bullish signals, okay? If we get a rejection here, it's a very good chance that we will actually make our way back down to the key support of either $20,000 or even juicier, the $18,300 level where we have the low of the range and the golden pocket. Now, most of the time, the market is ranging. Even if we maintain a bullish trend from here, if we start to lose this level, I will still be bullish even if we get a move down to $18,000 because this now will be key support and this will now establish and continue the uptrend of our low, our high, our higher low, our higher high, our higher low, and then maybe we can break out. Now, what do we really need to look for? I'm going to be looking precisely at this green box between $22.8 and $23.4 thousand. This is key for me. If I see the Bitcoin price actually staying above this blue line and continuing to hold this level as support, I will maintain my bullish bias. But if I see price starting to lose this, then I will actually switch to more of a short-term bearish bias, but still holding a long-term bullish bias. Because the truth is, guys, on the weekly time frame, we have absolutely unequivocally now put in a higher high on the weekly time frame. I do still remain bullish overall. I am still holding my long trades, guys, but this is a crucial point, and I have to make this video because I'm not here just to be sensational. I'm here to give real technical analysis. Real technical analysis says when we come to the low of the range, we look for a long trade, right? And technical analysis says when we come to the top of the range, right, we then look to take a short trade, all right? This is the way I trade. Okay, so I have to be honest and I have to warn you guys. Still bullish, but there's a chance we could get a pullback right here. Now, shout out to everybody who actually took this trade with the Crypto Fusion bot. The Crypto Fusion bot is the trading bot that I use over here, and a lot of people took this trade using the bot. If you are interested in checking out the Crypto Fusion bot, check it out on the website. There's a 14-day free trial right now for this bot. You have nothing to lose. Try it out. It trades for you, okay? You can have a plan in advance like this, and you can say, I only want to take a long if we come down to a certain level, and if I get certain indications, certain confirmations on my indicator, you can set up the bot to basically trade for you. It will enter the trade only if there's confirmations. It will set the stop loss for you, the take profit for you. After TP1, it will set your stop loss to entry. Check it out if you're interested, JasonCasperTrading.com. Go ahead and click that Jason Casper Trading Bot. That is it for today's update, guys. Make sure to like the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to click the bell for notifications. May God bless everybody in the name of Jesus the Messiah, Yeshua the Messiah. I pray everybody is very, very blessed in multiple ways, not just financially, but in all ways. I will see everybody in the next video. Peace, y'all.